Emission repair. Helping your car and the environment by Sol's Autotech. Emission repair. It involves fixing the components of your car's emission control system that are responsible for controlling and reducing harmful emissions. Benefits to your car. Compliance with emissions regulations. One must have a car emission test done on their vehicle to confirm compliance with the state-mandated requirements. Lower chance of expensive repairs. Promptly taking care of issues relating to your emission system will save you the headache of running into these problems unexpectedly. Heightened engine performance. Properly maintaining and repairing it can help your engine run more smoothly and perform at its best. Helping the environment. Reduced harmful emissions. If your emission control system is maintained and serviced, you can effectively reduce the pollution that your vehicle produces. Improved air quality. You're taking a proactive step in helping maintain your community's air quality, one vehicle at a time. Reduction of greenhouse gases. Taking the time to repair your emission system could help reduce your carbon footprint. Contact us today to avail emission repair in Westminster.